Hello everyone, this is Prerna Patil and today we are going to discuss about partial pivoting and what is a condensation algorithm. Partial pivoting is a technique used in numerical methods, particularly in solving system of linear equations. It involves swapping rows in a matrix to ensure that the element with the largest absolute value in the pivot column is used as a pivot element. This helps to reduce numerical errors and improves the stability and accuracy of the solution. Condensation. So first we need a matrix. For that we have two loops for I equal to 1 to n in steps of 1 and for j equal to 1 to n plus 1 in steps of 1. It will read a matrix Aij. We have another loop k is equals to 1 to n minus 1 in steps of 1, which will store max and p, in which max will store a k and p will store the value of k. We have another loop m from k plus 1 to n in steps of 1. It will perform some actions like if max is greater less max is less than amk, then we will store the value of amk in max and the value of m in p. Okay, so after that we will check if max is greater than equal to e. If the max is greater than equal to e, then we will have an ill-conditioned equation and we will stop here. It is not an ill condition. We will check if p is equal to k. We will go to the fourth step again and follow the same procedure again. For that we have another loop for q is equals to k to n plus 1 in steps of 1. It will have temp akq and apq, where akq will store the value of apq, temp will store the value of akq and apq will store the value of temp. We will end the loop here and we have another loop for I is equals to k plus 1 to n in steps of 1. It will store the value of u, where aik divided by akk will be stored in u. We have another loop in I for j equal to 1 to n plus 1 in steps of 1, where it will store the value of aij, where aij will consist of aij minus u into akj. We will end the loops, all the loops here, and it will be the end of the algorithm.